Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Chin from Masagari Channel, a faith healer, also Mata reader. So ngayong hapon, natutigan natin na nagsabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is Archangel Michael messages for the sign of Aquarius. So Aquarius, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirits ang ating masasaka for today's video? Kano naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Aquarius signs ang ating mga kagilap. So guys, this reading is a journey din lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalong-lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain po kayo ng Diyos at may kapal ang siksik liglig nag-uumapaw man ng balik sa inyong biyaya. So guys, kumapit ka, dala ito namin sa'yo ng ating mga gabay. Archangel Michael messages for the sign of Aquarius. Ano ang pinaka-messages, advices for you ng ating Archangel, ang ating mahigilap for today's video. Okay, thank you. Last one kung meron pa. Okay. Ang ganda ng message. So, there is okay. Your children are watched over by angels. So, some of you kung may mga anak kayo, ginagabayan daw ito ng ating Archangel, ng ating mga anghel. And kasi sinasabi dito, use your imagination, you see the answer. So, ibig sabihin dito, makikita mo raw ang kasagutan, no? Gamitin mo raw yung intuitions mo, yung visions mo, rather your imaginations, no? At the same time, this situation is already resolved. So, some of you na solusyon na at talagang naganap na, no? Ang nakikita dito sa ating barahan na maaaring masolusyon na. And of course, sinasabi dito, go forward fearlessly, na kailangan mo magpatuloy na walang kinakatakutan, no? Na walang pinangangambahan, laban lang ng laban. Ganon. So, paano natin siya himay-himayin at paano natin siya may elaborate sa inyo para mas maunawaan nyo ang mensahe ni ating Archangel Michael. Okay. Angel Spirit Guides, please give me the permission for the sign of Aquarius. So, there is a Six of Pentacles. So, sinasabi dito, there is a giving or receiving something by the universe. Or something na magtutuloy-tuloy na about sa finances. Or something gift by the universe na ibibigay sa'yo, no? It's either intuitions or finances, no? And of course, there is a King of Pentacles by secure, no? Kumbaga sinasabi dito na kailangan mo is maging secure kapag dating sa finances. And because there's Page of Pentacles, there's a new plan and new manifestation. So may mga bagay na unti-unti ka na isa sa katuparan dito. Additional messages, there's a Knight of Wands. So there's a slow and steady, no? Hindi mo kailangan maging padalos-dalos, no? Marunong ka dapat magantay when the right time, no? Time is time. Charis. Tumaga sinasabi dito na kung oras mo, no? Kung para sa'yo. Because there's the lovers. So, there's a love life, no? Involved dito. So, may mamahalan talaga dito. And of course, there's an unconditional love or there's a deep soul connections. And of course, there's an Ace of Wands. There's a new beginning na mukhang papasok dito sa eksena ng The Lovers. So, may bagong simula at bagong bukas at bagong buhay. So, what is a Six of Pentacles? So, there's an Ace of Swords. There's a breakthrough. So, pag sa larangan ng pera o sa larangan ng pagkakaperahan, magtatagumpay ka. What is the King of Pentacles? What is the King of Pentacles? There is a Queen of Pentacles. So, there is a feminine and masculine energy, no? Kumbaga, marunong kayong humawak ng finances together with your person. No, talagang marunong kayo pagdating sa business, sa trabaho, sa pera. So, what is a Page of Pentacles? Because there is a Eight of Wands. So, there is a fast communication, no? Meron ditong, there's a lot of email messages, no? Kumbaga, itong binuo mong plano at manifest mo daw siya. And of course, maraming tatangkilik sa negosyo at trabaho mo. So, let's see what is the Nine of Wands. So, there's a Nine of Pentacles. So, sinasabi dito, there's a blossoming abundance. About sa finances mo, no? Mukhang yayabong talaga at mukhang lalakas. What is the Lovers? There's a Judgment. So, there's a kumbaga, there's both side of situation. Dapat hindi ka tumitingin sa isang situation lang. At the same time, huwag kong hinusgahan yung isang bagay na alam mong hindi mo pa sigurado at hindi mo pa tuluyang alam, no? Kumbaga, sinasabi na judgment is a wake-up call and awakening to you, with your persons. So, what is the Ace of Wands? And of course, there's an Empress card. So, there's a revert or renewal, no? There's a new beginning talaga. Magkakaroon kayo ng bagong negosyo o bagong trabaho or bagong simula, no? What is the Six of Pentacles and the Ace of Swords? And of course, there's a Fool card, no? Leap of faith. Magtiwala ka sa process and progress, no? Kumaga magtatagumpay ka dito. And of course, sinasabi magtiwala ka sa proseso mo at magkakaroon ka ng progreso and step by step. So, what is the King of Pentacles and the Queen of Pentacles? So, there is a Two of Wands. So, there is a two-path, no? Kumaga, meron talaga kayong line na inyong person, no? Kumaga, meron kayong mga kanya-kanya obligation or kanya-kanyang ginagawa, no? And of course, there is an Eight of Swords. So, there is a lot of toxicities around you. Kaya kailangan maging aware ka. Hindi lahat ng, kumaga, lumalapit sa'yo ay talagang about sa negosyo na tutulungan ka, hindi ko para utangan ka. There is a lot of toxicities around you, kaya mag-ingat ka. So, what is the Nine of Wands and of course the Nine of Pentacles? So, there is a Four of Pentacles. So, ibig sabihin dito, protect your power, protect your energy, no? Wag ka maging padalos-dalos sa paggastos, no? Mag-invest, magtabi, ganon. Kung sinasabi sa'yo dito na hindi sa lahat ng oras kalakasan ng negosyo. So, what is the Judgment and the Lovers? So, there is a Tower moment and of course, there is a Five of Cups in reverse. So, it means, kumbaga, there is a sudden changes na, kumbaga, walang panghihinayang at walang pagsisisi na minahal mo o binalikan mo tong tao na to. Parang ganon. So, let's see what is the Ace of Wands and the Empress card. What is the Ace of Wands and the Empress card? Because there's the Hangman, no? Ito yung sinasabi na magkakaroon ka ng bagong simula at bagong pag-asa at bagong buhay, baguhin mo lang yung mindset o pananaw mo sa buhay, no? Kasi minsan may mga toxic behavior tayo talaga. So, let's see what is additional outcome. Ang outcome is the Nine of Wands. So, there is a fast communication. And of course, there's a lot of burden and responsibilities. Pero there's a final push, no? May mga bagay na kailangan mong ilaban, no? At kailangan mo talagang mag-antay, perseverance, resilience. Hindi mo kailangan mag-ingay. Bagkus kailangan mo mag-antay sa bagong oportunidad o bagong eksena papasok sa'yo. And of course, there is a King of Swords. There's a being wise. Na maging matalino ka sa pagdidesisyon at maging wise ka is all the time. And of course, there's a Four of Cups. So, evaluate or analyze, no? Ay sinasabi na slow and steady, no? Hindi ka dapat maging padalos-dalos, ka panatiliing kalmado, even sa decision mo. So, let's see what is additional messages for Love Oracle cards. So, kailangan hindi ka matatakot sa mga posibilidad. Kailangan mo lang maging aware. And of course, suddenly, some of you, nasolusyonan na, no? Let's see what is additional messages. There's an ascending. So, there's an preparing for union and there's a new phase, no? And because there's a seduction. Some of you, kumbaga talagang attraction or flirting or something, no? Kumbaga, malakas ang information dito na may gusto sa, kumbaga malaki ang gusto sa na person mo or something na malaki ang kumbaga pagtingin sa'yo. Or some of you, there's a flirting or dating, no? So, let's see what is the Yin and Yang Oracle card. Let's see what is the Yin and Yang Oracle card. There's a harvest time. At the end of the time, magkakaroon ka raw ng harvest dito. And of course, there's a freedom, no? Makakalaya ka sa toxicities. And of course, makakalaya ka sa mga problema mo. And of course, there's a memories, no? Gagawa ka ng bagong mga alaala. So, let's see what is the chakra messages for you. What is this chakra messages for you? There's a balance. So, panatiliin maging balance, no? Pagdating sa trabaho, there's a workaholic. Kaya, yun yung sinasabi, maging balance ka rin sa trabaho, huwag masyadong puwersahin yung sarili mo. And of course, there's a confusion, no? Maraming tao nang gugulo behind your back. So, panatiliin, kalmado ka para hindi ka magulo. And of course, there's an instinct, no? Makikinig ka sa iyong intuitions. Makikinig ka lagi sa gut feeling mo. So let's see what is the Montology. What is this Montology? There is a balance of spiritual and practicality. Kailangan maging balance ka spiritual and practicality. And believe the impossible. Lahat ng mga imposible ay posible. So what is additional messages? There is a cleansing. So, some of you, kailangan nyo mag-cleansing, ha? And of course, there is a mystery by intuition. So, malakas ang sense dito na kailangan mong gumamit ng intuition mo or imaginations, no? And of course, there is a trust. Magtiwala ka sa process and progress. So, let's see what is this energy. There is the word. So, some of you have a trouble talaga. And of course, there is the sun card. Kumbaga, magkakaroon ka ng pure positive outcome. And of course, there is a third chakra archangel, Chamuel, for your health. So, kailangan pangalagaan mo ang iyong health. So, let's see what is additional messages for angel's number. There is a 00, I am creator. So, some of you, you are also creator of your own destiny or your own life. So, sinasabi dito, you are one with the creator and there are no limits to what you can achieve. You can, you have ability to create something new and incredible in your lifetime here on earth. So, ibig sabihin, kayang-kaya mong mag-invest, gumawa ng way, on your own signature. So, let's see what is the Jesus loving quotes. Whatsoever you shall do with the all my Father which in my heaven, but the same na my brother and sister and my mother. So, ibig sabihin dito kung ano man yung mga dapat mong ginagawa sa iyong tatay, no? Even your family. So, ganun din daw ang ginagawa mo sa pamilya mo, no? So, let's see what is the messages of life. So, sinasabi dito, there is a together in the light. So, sinasabi dito, guys, I give thanks of all who enter my life. I understand we are all exactly who and where are supposed to be and be. And everyone contributes to each other and personal growth. In every reaction, someone's role for me is a gift from their soul to mine. Meant to help me, free me from my inner conflicts today. By focusing my own development rather than on others. Plus, I become one with the divine. So, ibig sabihin dito kasama ka sa kaliwanagan. Lahat ng aspeto ng liwanag, kumbaga alam mo na, kumbaga isa ka sa nagbibigay liwanag or nagsisilbing liwanag sa ibang tao, no? Kumbaga alam mo sa lahat ng mga pinagdaanan mo sa buhay, kumbaga hindi lang kadiliman o hindi lang sa madidilim na part ka mapupunta, kundi alam mo, makikita mo ang liwanag at masisinagan mo ang liwanag ng lahat ng kaganapan sa buhay mo. So, this is Archangel Michael messages for the sign of Aquarius. So, maraming salamat, Aquarius. This reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads. So, may pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapasiksik tigdig na umapaw ang biyaya manambalik sa inyo. Maraming salamat, guys, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush.